I had an idea to recreate this movie scene where it was raining money in the middle of the city. First, I had to fly down to New York, then I went to Times Square and I had the prop money ready. There's a bunch of people outside, and after hours of searching, I managed to find a rooftop balcony that I could throw the money off of. It was now time to pull one of the biggest pranks on New York City. I started throwing the fake prop money everywhere and it was already looking crazy. I was nowhere near satisfied yet, so I ran over to get some more money and I continued throwing it. By the time I was done, it looked like the entire sky was filled with money, and seeing all that money float down towards the ground looked unreal. We successfully made it rain money in the center of Times Square. If you think this is crazy, everyone's reactions are even crazier, so stay tuned because I'm going to be posting the reactions tomorrow.